Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about what is meant by 3D printing. Okay, so in this video we will go to the what's meant by 3D printing history, steps involved followed in 3D printing, methods and technologies, 3D printing materials and its application areas. Okay, so coming to 3D printing, what is meant by 3D printing? 3D printing is a form of additive manufacturing technology where a three-dimensional object is created by laying down successfully areas of materials. Text. It is also known as additive manufacturing. 3D printing is achieved by using an additive process where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. Objects can be of almost any shape of geometry and are produced from a 3D model or other electronic data source. Coming to history, it was developed uh, in the 1980s by a Japanese engineer and researchers named Hideo Kodama. Unlike conventional printers that produce 2D images on a paper, these printers will create 3D objects by a process called additive manufacturing, that is AM, a process used to create an object layer by layer. Later in 1984, Chuck Hull of 3D Systems Corporation developed stereolithography, in which layers are added by curing photopolymers with UV light lasers to make 3D objects. So from 1984 to 1986, Chellis Hull invites 3D printer and coins the term as stereolithography. Next, in the year 1992, first 3D printer was built by 3D Systems. In 1993, first application of 3D printer was used in medical field for creation of human bladder. Next, in 2020, miniature human kidney was created through 3D printing. And upcoming years, like in 2006, the selective laser sintering machine was used for printing multiple materials and in different speeds. Later in 2009, first usable prosthetic leg. This opens the door for customized products using 3D printing. In 2011, 3D printers were started offering 14K gold as printable materials. Since then, almost all the industries were developed and using 3D printing technology simultaneously researching on it. Stereolithography STL. It is a file format on which 3D printers work. In 1980s to 1990s, a lot of 3D printing machines came into existence with various configurations and methodologies. In the beginning of 2020, only polymers were used for 3D printing, which are plastic that could be molded into any shapes. By the early 2010, printers were developed that could work on metals and other variety of materials, which revolutionized 3D printing technology. Coming to steps followed in 3D printing. First is modeling, printing, finishing. Coming to modeling, it is a virtual blueprints from computer-aided design, that is CAD. Next is printing. 3D printers read the design and lay down successful layers of materials. Finishing. After printing, the supports can remove or dissolve to get the final product. So here you can see a pic. First is the CAD model was developed in any software. Next it is converted to STL format, and by giving the tool path file, that is by using the G codes, it was printed in 3D printer, and the final product is this one. Okay, so from CAD file it was done with the 3D printer, and this is the final product. 3D printer process. So we already discussed that is it consists of 3 steps, that is 3D design, file preparation in STL format, and it was done to 3D print. So this is a cyclist process where model is designed in CAD model, it is converted into STL format, and if you want you can use a slicing software for slicing the objects by applying some properties, temperature, material, etc. Next, it was imported into 3D printer and the final product will be printed. So this is a cyclic process. And in the 6 to 1, the product, if you are not getting perfectly, then again you are going to redesign it and you are going to follow these steps again and again. Next, coming to what is meant by 3D design. Additive manufacturing takes virtual blueprints from computer-aided design, CAD or animation modeling software and slice them into digital cross-sections for the machine to successfully use a guidance for printing. So designing of a model can be done in any mechanical softwares. So coming to modeling or CAD designing software, so I have listed some of the designing softwares, that is Blender, Tinkercad, SketchUp, SolidWorks, Fusion 360, OpenSCAD, AutoCAD, Creo, CATIA, Inventor, FreeCAD, Mall3D, 3D Builder, Unigraphics. So these are some of the designing softwares where you are going to design the product. Next, what are the file formats for 3D design? 3D design file formats, that is STL. So these file formats are used for printing of the object. After designing, these file formats should be saved so that these are important to 3D printer. STL means Standard Tessellation Language. It is a simple format. Describe any object as a series of linked triangles and there is no data regarding color, texture, material, file security. So file security. Next is .obj. Best for color and high precision printing. Colors and textures information can be encoded in the OBJ format, stored in a separate file type called MTL, that is Material Template Library. So in the right side you are going to see some STL format. So STL format file was imported into the software and you are given the properties to print. So this is the STL and this object is the OBJ format. Okay. Coming to .amf, that is additive manufacturing format, file format, was used in order to solve the inconsistencies and large sizes that occur in the STL format. In this, it defines the specifications by object, material, texture, and constellation. Next is .emf file, that is 3D manufacturing format, was developed by Microsoft engineers to tackle the biggest issue in the 3D printing industry: how to keep large objects in small sizes that can be easily solved. So these are the different file formats. After designing of the objects, so we need to save the product in this following format and we can use for the 3D printer. Next is printing. So printing means to perform a print, the machine reads the design from a 3D printing file, that is STL file. It lays down a successive layers of liquid, paper or sheet material to build a model from a series of cross-sections. These layers, which correspond to the virtual cross-sections from a CAD model and are joined or automatically fused to create the final shape. Next, printer resolutions describes layer thickness and XY resolutions in DPI, that is dots per inch. XY resolution is comparable to that of layer printers. The particle 3D dots are around 50 to 100 micrometers, that is 510 to 250 dpi in diameter. So what is the advantage? That is ability to create almost any shape or geometric feature. So this is the STL format we need to import into the printer and the printer will be generated like this. The 3D object will be generated like this in printers. Coming to finishing, this is the third step in 3D printing. So in this, though the printer produced resolution insufficient for many applications, printing a slightly oversized version of the desired object in standard conditions, and then removing material with a high resolution subtractive process can achieve greater precision. Supports are removable or dissolvable upon completion of the print and are used to support overhanging features during construction. So this is the product that is before treatment, means this is the product that we are taken from directly from the printer, and after removing some supports and by using some applying pre-processing, so this is the model that we got after the pre-processing and treatments. So this is the final product. Next, coming to methods and technologies. So these are some of the different methods and technologies in 3D printer. First is stereolithography, that is SLA, fused deposition modeling FDM, selective laser sintering SLS, digital light processing DLP, multi-jet fusion MJF, powder binding PolyJet, laminated object manufacturing, metal 3D printing process, that is direct metal laser sintering, that is DMLF. So I will show you some video like this. So after importing the STL format in the printer, so by layer the object will be printed. So this is how the object will be printed like this. Okay, so we will discuss this detailed explanation in the next video. Thank you.